temple near the glowing rise lived a cat with emerald eyes. Her fur was white like woven mist. She watched the dawn from where she would kiss. And Maew, the moonlight cat, you dance where the starlight stands. Under your paws, the flowers bloom, and the rains arrive with your soft turmoil. When the earth was cracked and dry, children sang nearly to the sky. They loud, please bring the rain. She smiled once and down it came. Now Maew, the moonlight cat, you dance where the starlight stands. Under your paws, the flowers bloom, and rains around with your soft truth. Now she sleeps beneath the sacred tree, but when rain falls, she's whispering with every drop upon your skin. She sings again in the wind and wind. Now she sleeps beneath the sacred tree, but when rain falls, she's whispering with every drop upon your skin.